Hey guys, let me share a story. It is a funny story. I am an English speaker. I'm a learner basically. So every day I speak English with so many unknown person through open talk apps. So today I also find a man who live in Bangladesh who is a Bangladeshi. So I when I connect with the man and I just ask him, "Hey bro, what's up?" And he gave me replied like that, "Hey bro, please give me 1 minute, don't cut the call because I don't find confident. Okay, I feel unconfident, so I want to smoke, please give me 1 minute." So I just thought, a man want to smoke, and if he do smoke, he will find confident. How is it possible? So after when we smoke, and I just asked, bro, what is the reason of behind? Okay, you told me that if you smoke, you will find confident. So how it is possible? So he shared with me his story. He told me that he almost 23 years old, and he looking for a job. Okay, he also look at me as a student. Okay, as the same times he doing other job. So he told me that, bro, I am doing job every day, so it's basically feel me very pain. Okay, so when I feel bored, when I feel very bad, I just smoke, and it give me confidence. It give me energy. So I think that okay. So many person who are a smoker, I think it helps them to build their energy, to build their consistency, to build their discipline. It helps them. So I am the man basically. I hate okay who are a smoker every day. Also, my already all of friends also know I don't like the man who are a smoker. So today it's totally changed my look. Okay, because of that, I think it also helped them who used to smoke. So it hasn't a bad advantage. It sometimes had advantage. Okay, so it is a good thing. I like that. Okay. At the same times, I also found so many men. Okay, in my life, basically, who are a marjuna smoker. Do you know marjuna? I think you know. So when they smoke with marjuna, so they can do anything. Okay, they did hard work. They did is very critical work. Okay, uh, a simple man can do it. I think that I have been uh, I have been found a man last 2 or 3 months ago on a street. Basically, he was a saying a smoker. So when his family didn't give him money, after that he are not able to bought the marijuana, so that's why he feel like out of mind. Okay, so I think that okay, it also destroy your life. It can be make something bad with you. It can be worse your life. So it has some advantage and disadvantage. Okay, this is the first time I find out the man who like to use smoke. So it has also a advantage. Meanwhile, I just thinking that every person who are a smoker, they are a bad boy, they are a bad man. So we should skip them. We should make distances from them. So this is the first time I should thinking all of my senses. Okay, I also make. I also want to make good relation with them because it also helps them. Okay, my one of my friend, his name is Horitsa, my childhood friend. So he had also this habit. Okay, in his childhood, his big brother, he had a bad habit, like he also saying a smoker. So according to my view, this is the reason my old friend, Horitsa, she also used a smoke with marijuana. But after that, when I No, my friend did it. I make with his distance relationship. Okay, but I think 2 or 3 days after I will go my home. So I will make with a good relationship before like what we have. Okay. So everything will change. My knowledge also today is really changed by the man. So thank you. It is a good story for me, and I think you should also watch this video. You should also keep good knowledge about this type of men who are a chain smoker. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.